The Hilo Farmers Market is on the east side of Hawaii Island, also called the Big Island. It is downtown Bayfront at the corner of Kamehameha Avenue and Mamo Streets. Here is a helpful tip for tourists, especially hikers and backpackers. Just over 100 yards from that intersection, on the right side of Mamo Street, is the Army-Navy surplus store, where they sell hiking and camping supplies and much more. Back to the farmers market. It is across the street from the bus station. Notice that is Hilo Bay behind the bus station. Let's start the walk. As we do, notice the newly renovated metal roof. Enjoy the vibrant colors of the tropical and other produce. We do all year long. Lucky we live Hawaii, and when you visit, you could taste the flavors too. Directly across the street on Mamo Street is the crafts section of the market. This time is during the winding down of the pandemic in June of 2021, and there are not too many sellers, especially paint artists in the crafts section. Also, it isn't until the holiday season, Thanksgiving through Christmas, that there are more craft tables. Although both produce and craft markets are open every day, the big days are Wednesdays and especially Saturdays.